Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Happy Tuesday. How you doing today? So we have a fairly kind of light calendar this week. We do have the Beige Book on Wednesday. We have some Fed speakers later in the week. The Fed's balance sheet they're going to be talking about later in the week as well. And of course, the regular Thursday weekly unemployment will come out and give us some sights to see and sounds to hear. Then, of course, next week, is that next week already? No, we still have 2 more weeks until the next Fed announcement. But we have plenty of time for data and Fed chatter between now and then. All right, what else we got going on this week? Well, this week is what we would call in the business the soft launch of earnings. We're getting the banks announcing and some other companies, and the banks have been killing it. Goldman Sachs here is up pretty significantly from earnings. They just blew the doors off it, as did JPM. Same thing. And we have USB, that's US Bank Corp, tomorrow. And they're already trading a bit higher in sympathy with the banks that announced good earnings. I guess people are going to be thinking that all the banks had good earnings, or at least that's what it looks like from looking at this USB chart. So that being said, it's really going to be all about earnings for the next couple of weeks. So that being said, I am holding a couple of workshops this week on earnings, and especially why I think the week starting July 22nd is going to be an extremely important week for earnings. So make sure you attend markettaker.com/REG, short for register, or check your email. We send emails on these things, and you should try and attend. Hope that helps. I think attending that workshop will help. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.